Hey guys, my name's Cameron Camera and I work for Hunter Lawrence, and I'm going to show you 5 of my favorite parts on my motorcycle. One of my favorite parts is the front brake caliper. It's something that we kind of get to bling up, has great stopping power for the riders. Next would be the suspension. A lot goes into that, and it's one of the key components for our riders to do their best at their job. Moving on, I love the Yosh headers. When they get hot, they turn sick colors, so it's kind of cool. Great performance, obviously. Coming under the hood, we got a custom made harness, made in-house, handmade. And moving on, we got a few custom parts under here. We made our own clutch bracket, so we have this billet one made with a clutch sensor. It's pretty cool to bring up on the computer. We can see exactly what's going on with the motorcycle. I'm Cameron Camera, and those are 5 of my favorite parts.